This is our Sparrow Hawk in the key of A minor, made out of Spanish cedar. Spanish cedar is a very lightweight softwood. That means its tonal quality is very warm on almost all the notes. It is a 6-hole flute, but we do provide a tie that we put on the 3rd hole from the top, making it look like a 5-hole flute, and it does make it a little bit easier to learn on a 5-hole flute. But when you get ready to play it as a 6-hole flute, just go ahead and remove the tie. Here's its voice. We do make the key of A minor in 3 different octaves. We make our pocket flute, which is a high A minor, and this is our mid-range A minor, and then we also make a contrabass A, which is nice, deep, and low.